Hey guys, so today we are going to be figuring out how to solve different equations, but we have to solve them after we figure out what kind of equation we're going to be doing because we're doing word problems today. So over here I've got Mr. Bob's Game Shop. I'm sorry, it's a little blurry. And this here is our friend Rosa. And here's the problem we need to figure out. Rosa bought 32 marbles at the game shop. The marbles came in bags of 8. How many bags of marbles did she buy? So before I do anything, I want a cube. Circle, underline, box, equation. So let's circle. Circle is circling all your numbers in your equation. So she's got 32. I'm going to circle that 32. And we know that they were in bags of 8. Circle bags of 8. U is underline. So I'm going to underline the question that I want to solve. And then B is box. Box those keywords. So what kind of keywords do we have? Well, I'm going to box how many bags, because I think those are all important. And then I know I circled it, but I think I want to box it too. Put bags of, because those are some really good, important words. All right, so that's our cube. Our next step is to write an equation, but I don't really know what our equation should be yet. So let's piece through it and write out what we already know and what we need to find out. I think that'll help us figure out what type of equation we need to do. I'm going to switch markers because that one was not very dark. So what do we know? I'm going to make a known list. We know that there's 32 marbles that she bought at the game shop. And you know what? I think I'm going to say that this is our total because that's the biggest number we're going to get. So she has a total of 32 marbles that she got. So I'm going to actually write in parentheses, this is her total. I think that's going to come in handy soon. We also know that the marbles came in bags of 8. So 8 marbles in a bag. I think this is how many are in a group. So I'm going to write number, and I'm just using the symbol, in the group. So what am I missing? Do I know how many groups I have? I don't. So if I were to write this as a multiplication equation, I would say I have blank for my group of 8, because I know I have 8 in the group, and I know I have a total of 32 marbles. How do we figure out what's missing? A couple things we could do. Ready? Here we go. I could write this really as a division problem. Division and multiplication are related. So I could write this as 32 divided by 8 equals something we don't know yet, but we're going to figure it out soon. I know how many go in the group, which is 8. So here's one strategy I could do. Here's a group of 8. Here's another group of 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Here's another group of 8. 8 plus 8 is, this is 24. And then I could do one more group of 8. And that would equal 32. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 8 now. So these groups are representing my number of bags. So I could say blank times 8 equals 32. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 equals 32. Or I could say 32 divided by 8 equals 4. You have to pick apart, you don't have to label it bags. You have to pick apart your information to figure out what are they really asking you about in here. Okay? But I could do this a different way. I could also make this an array. You know I'm big on arrays. So I know how many marbles are in a bag. I'm going to make my array. And I know I have 32 that I need to get to. So I'm going to just start making some boxes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm going to lose that for a minute. 7, 8. I kind of like to, this is just a Mrs. Wynn thing. It's not something you have to do. I kind of like to put the number on the bottom as I go, just to help me keep track. So there's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My box has just gotten really big. 13, 14, 15, 16. It's that left-handedness thing. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32. So I knew that this was 8. I'm going to switch colors really quick. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was our known number. And then going across is our unknown number of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 times 4 equals 32. So we know that there were 32 marbles, 8 in each bag. We found out that there is 4 bags, or there are 4 bags. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys.